Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Brick and Mirror Beauty's video blog. Today I'm going to be breaking down the 4 aspects to any color, whether you want to do a corrective color or whether you want to change your color. So I posted a video not long ago going from blonde back to dark again, and then I posted a bunch of other videos about consultations. So this is going to clear up a few questions that you might have when you go to your stylist about how you want to change your color. So let's start with the 4 aspects, okay? So if you're going to change your color or you want to correct your color, you got to worry about one of 4 things. Are you too dark? Are you too light? Are you too warm? Or are you too cool? I think light and dark is pretty easy. You're either too blonde or too brown or too, that's self-explanatory. Now, too warm or too cool, that's where people get a little confused. All right, so what cool tones mean, right? It's like, for the example, in the wintertime, icy, cool, bluish, those are your cool tones, your ashier tones, okay? Now too warm, think of summertime, the sun shining, you got your oranges, your yellows, your warmer colors. So if you want to be warmer, or you tell your stylist you want to be warmer, or you want warm tones, but you really want cool tones, you're gonna have an issue. If you tell your stylist you want cool tones, but you really want warm tones, then you're gonna have a major problem too. So here's a picture of a nice warm blonde. So here you can see the warmer highlights coming through with a warmer base. The one thing you don't really want is a warm base with cool tones, because they're gonna clash, okay? And the same goes for the opposite. If you're a really cool blonde naturally and you throw in, or a cool light brown or a cool brown, and you throw in some warm highlights, they're gonna clash as well. So you wanna keep those tones pretty much in the same family, right? So if you are a medium, warmer brown, and you wanna add some highlights for dimension, you're gonna put some warmer highlighted pieces in there, okay? If you throw the cool tones in there, they're gonna probably appear a little grayish because they're sitting on that warmer canvas. So before you go in the salon, ask yourself a few questions. Am I too light? Am I too dark? Am I too warm? Or am I too cool? So as long as you've got a baseline of where you're at and where you want to be, it should help you with the consultation when you're speaking to your stylist. All right guys, thanks for watching. Any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment box below. I love all the comments. I'm sorry I don't get to all of them all the time. I do still work behind the chair in the salon. So usually at night, I'm going through YouTube or even Instagram, just answering a few of your questions. If you do have like an urgent question, you want to shoot me a phone call here at the salon, the number is 973-335-1030, or shoot me email directly. It's nick@brickandmirrorbeauty.com. And make sure you click subscribe, follow, like, share, tag a friend if it brought you any value, or you had this conversation with somebody before and this video might give them a little more insight. Other than that, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.